Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS cost management. So this lecture will contain all these different topics: AWS billing and cost management, AWS cost explorer, AWS budgets, AWS cost anomaly detection, cost optimization hub, optimizing your cost with right sizing recommendations, and what are savings plans. So AWS billing and cost management. AWS billing and cost management provides tools to track, analyze and visualize AWS spending in real time. Users can define custom budgets and set up alerts to receive notification when costs exceed or approach predefined thresholds. 3. The service generates detailed reports on cost and usage data. By analyzing usage patterns and cost, AWS billing and cost management helps users discover areas where they can optimize spending and reduce waste. The service integrates with other AWS tools like AWS budgets, AWS cost explorer, AWS cost and usage reports. For organizations with multiple AWS accounts, the service enables consolidated billing to simplify cost tracking and management across the entire organization. AWS billing and cost management provides forecasting tools to predict future cost based on historical usage data. So first tool that we'll look, first feature is AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer enables you to view and analyze your cost and usage through the main graph, cost and usage reports, or reserved instance reports. Cost Explorer provides access to data for up to last 13 months to review your cost history and identify long-term trends. With Cost Explorer, you can forecast how much you are likely to spend for the next 12 months, helping in budget planning and resource allocation. Fourth, Cost Explorer offers recommendation for purchasing reserved instances, helping you optimize your cost based on your usage patterns. By using Cost Explorer, you can pinpoint areas that require further investigation and recognize trends that contribute to understanding your cost. Accessing and viewing your cost and usage through the Cost Explorer user interface is free of charge. If you choose to access your data programmatically using the Cost Explorer API, each paginated request incurs a small charge of 1 cent. Cost Explorer refreshes your cost data at least once daily, ensuring you have access to up-to-date information. However, some data may take longer to update depending on upstream billing applications. For a comprehensive review of your cost data, you can download it into a comma-separated CSV file. Next tool is AWS Budgets. AWS Budgets allows you to monitor and manage your AWS cost and usage effectively. With AWS Budgets, you can keep track of your reserved instance RIs or savings plans utilization and coverage metrics to ensure optimal usage and cost efficiency. AWS Budgets supports a range of tracking options from simply monthly cost budgets to more complex scenarios involving variable target amounts and automated actions. You can create monthly cost budgets with either fixed target amounts or variable targets that grow by a specified percentage each month. AWS Budgets allows you to set up alerts for both actual after accruing and forecasted before accruing spends. By configuring actions in AWS Budgets, you can automatically apply custom IAM policies to restrict usage resource provisioning when budget thresholds are reached. Usage budgets in AWS Budgets enable you to track your usage against service limitation or AWS free tier offerings, ensuring you do not exceed those boundaries. Okay, AWS Budget update frequency and budget types. AWS Budgets is refreshed up to 3 times daily, with updates occurring 8 to 12 hours after the previous update. AWS Budgets can monitor your unblended, amortized and blended cost, providing a comprehensive view of your spending across different cost categories. You can choose to include or exclude various charges such as discounts, refunds, support fees, and taxes in your AWS budgets for customized cost tracking. Cost budgets helps you plan and manage how much you want to spend on a specific AWS service. Usage budgets allows you to plan and track how much you want to use one or more AWS services, so that you stay within desired usage levels. RI utilization, reserved instances utilization budgets let you define a utilization threshold and receive alerts when your RI usage falls below that threshold, and this helps in identifying underutilized RIs. RI coverage budget allows you to set a coverage threshold and receive alerts when the number of instance hours covered by RIs fall below that threshold. That indicates potential cost optimization opportunities. Savings plans utilization budgets help you define a utilization threshold and receive alerts when your savings plan usage falls below that threshold, identifying underutilized savings plans. Savings plans coverage budgets let you set a coverage threshold and receive alerts when your savings plans eligible usage covered by savings plans falls below that threshold, highlighting areas for improving savings plans coverage. Okay, AWS budgets notification and access control. AWS budget allows you to configure optional notification that alert you when you exceed or are forecasted to exceed your budgeted amount for cost or usage, or when you fall below your target utilization and coverage for RI or savings plans. You can choose to have budget notifications sent to Amazon SNS topic and email address or both. Creating an Amazon SNS topic for budget notifications allows you to centralize and manage your budget alerts effectively. If you use consolidated billing in an organization and own the management account, you can leverage IAM policies to control access to budgets by member accounts. By default, owners of member accounts have the ability to create their own budgets but cannot create or edit budgets for other users. 6. You can create IAM roles with specific permissions that allow users to create, edit, delete, or read budgets within a particular amount. A budget is only visible to users who have access to the account that created the budget and have been granted access to the specific budget itself. In an organization with consolidated billing, the management account can create budgets that track cost for specific member accounts, but member accounts can only view those budgets if they are granted access to the management account. Reporting your budget matrix with budget reports. 1. AWS budgets allows you to set up reports to monitor the performance of your existing budgets on a daily, weekly, or a monthly basis, providing regular insights into your budget matrix. You can configure budget reports to be delivered to a maximum of 50 email addresses, ensuring that relevant stakeholders stay informed about budget performance. Each standalone account or AWS organization's management account can create up to 50 budget reports, providing ample opportunities for customized budget monitoring. Budget report incurs a cost of 1 cent for each report delivered, regardless of the number of recipients. For example, a daily report costs 1 cent per day, a weekly report costs 1 cent per week, and a monthly report costs 1 cent per month. AWS cost anomaly detection. 1. AWS cost anomaly detection leverages machine learning models to identify and alert on unusual spend patterns in your deployed AWS services. Second, you can receive alerts individually or in aggregated reports via email or through an Amazon SNS topic. By creating an AWS chatbot configuration that maps the SNS topic to a Slack channel or Amazon Chime chat room, you can receive cost anomaly detection alerts directly in your collaboration tools. Fourth, cost anomaly detection employs machine learning techniques to evaluate your spend patterns, minimizing false positive alerts by considering factors like weekly or monthly seasonality and natural growth. The feature enables you to investigate the root cause of an anomaly by identifying the specific AWS account, service, region, or usage type contributing to the cost increase. You have the flexibility to configure how cost anomaly detection evaluates your cost, either by analyzing all AWS services independently or focusing on specific member accounts, cost allocation tags, or cost categories. AWS cost anomaly detection execution and requirements. After your billing data is processed, AWS cost anomaly AWS Cost Anomaly Detection runs roughly 3 times a day to monitor for anomalies in your cost data. The feature monitors your net unblended cost data, which represent your net cost after all applicable discounts have been applied. Due to the delay in Cost Explorer data, which can be up to 24 hours, you may experience a slight delay in receiving alerts from cost anomaly detection after a usage occurs. When you create a new monitor in cost anomaly detection, it can take up to 24 hours for the feature to start detecting new anomalies. For a newly subscribed service, cost anomaly detection requires 10 days of historical service usage data before it can begin detecting anomalies for that specific service. Okay, next feature is Cost Optimization Hub. 1. Cost Optimization Hub automatically identifies and consolidates your cost optimization opportunities, making it easier to discover potential cost savings. The feature quantifies estimated savings by incorporating your specific AWS pricing and discounts, providing accurate savings estimates. 3. Cost Optimization Hub aggregates and deduplicates savings across related cost optimization opportunities. 4th, with filtering, sorting, and grouping capabilities, you can easily prioritize your cost optimization recommendations based on your specific needs and preferences. 5th, Cost Optimization Hub enables you to measure and benchmark your cost efficiency and identify areas for improvement. After enabling Cost Optimization Hub, you can view estimated monthly savings in AWS Compute Optimizer, which are consistent with the savings estimates provided by the Cost Optimization Hub. Optimizing your cost with right sizing recommendations. The right sizing recommendation feature in Cost Explorer, so this is part of our Cost Explorer feature, helps you to identify opportunities to save cost by optimizing your Amazon EC2 instances. Right sizing recommendations suggest downsizing or terminating instances that are underutilized to reduce cost without impacting performance. The feature analyzes your Amazon EC2 resources and usage patterns to provide accurate and relevant recommendations. 4th, right sizing recommendations highlight specific instances where you can lower your spending by making adjustments. 5. You can see all of your underutilized Amazon EC2 instances across multiple member accounts in a single view, making it easy to identify cost-saving opportunities. The recommendations provide insights into how much you can potentially save by implementing the suggested changes. 7th, once you have identified the recommendations you want to implement, you can take action directly on the Amazon EC2 console to downsize or terminate the instances. Okay, next important feature is savings plans. Savings plans offer a flexible pricing model that provides savings on your AWS usage, which allows you to optimize your cost. By using savings plans, you can save up to 72% on your AWS compute workloads. Compute savings plans provide lower prices on Amazon EC2 instance usage, regardless of instance family, size, operating system, tenancy, or AWS region. The lower prices offered by compute savings plans also apply to usage on AWS Fargate and AWS Lambda services. SageMaker savings plans provide you with lower prices for your Amazon SageMaker instance usage, regardless of instance family, size, component, or AWS region. 6th, savings plans require a commitment of using a specified amount of compute power for a 1 or 3 year period, with a year defined as 365 days and 3 years as 1095 days. Managing and purchasing savings plans. So you can manage your savings plans by using recommendations, performance reporting, and budget alerts in AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer provides you with recommendations, performance reporting, and budget alerts to help you make informed decisions about your savings plans. When you sign up for savings plans, the prices you will pay for usage stays the same throughout the duration of the plan term, providing predictability in your cost. Savings plans offer flexibility in payment options. which allows you to choose between so there are a couple of options: all upfront, partial upfront, or no upfront payment methods based on your financial preferences. And to get started, use AWS Cost Explorer to view your recommended savings plans commitment, which provides insights into the optimal commitment level for your usage patterns. Sixth, you can customize the savings plans recommendations provided by AWS Cost Explorer to align with your specific requirements and goals. Once you have reviewed and customized your savings plans recommendations, you can easily purchase your optimized savings plan directly through AWS Cost Explorer. And that's all. Thanks for watching.